a Delta A321 should be popping up right here. It's on my way. I believe 24 left for this flight. It should be there it is. Touchdown. Here in Alaska. Second time I've met him in person. There he is. Alaska is about to take off and head to Seattle right here. And the Delta just came from Atlanta. Why won't these cars shut up? He went for the turn burn. There we go. Supposed to have Aer Lingus come in and just came on Friday, which is the May 19th. Today is May 24th, which is a Sunday. And Alaska Airlines only has one destination, which is Seattle. So he's heading to Seattle. I should say Seattle, Tacoma. Where is he? There he is. So we have a Delta connection aircraft. I like this view instead because it's bringing better for the camera. Jet behind it. There he goes. There goes the Spirit to Fort Lauderdale, or Tampa, Orlando. Concourse A and Concourse B is not as packed as Concourse C. There's everything back there, mostly United aircraft. There was just a Sun Country airplane that came from Pittsburgh to Cleveland and it left to Atlantic City. Tonight is going to be my first time to see Aer Lingus, and it's going to be good. Just wish me luck because I got to see my first Alaska like a month ago. Now I'm about to see my first Aer Lingus, so that's that. We have another airplane that should be coming, and between downtown Cleveland and runway 24 left. Just to let you guys know, I will be in Columbus around my birthday. My birthday is June 15th, and I'll be heading to Columbus on the 17th and 18th for the Columbus Air Show. And while we wait for some planes to come in route, we're gonna have to watch some cars. Ticket. them cars speeding. I'll also be, I'll just be hitting Columbus for the Columbus Air Show at Rickenbacker, to intercept, just to let you guys know that, on the 17th, when I'm in the air show, I'd probably, be, see Allegiance come in and out during the air show, and during the 18th, which is the when we're outside, we're gonna be right on the rest of the Bruins are just gonna take over us, take off of us like we're at El Centro, like that. So let's see. Yeah, my bad, yo. I'm gonna just end this part of the video. I'm probably gonna post a new one, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.